Ere ta njira ya gukinyaniria motungata mogima wa mwiri kuri muingi, thirikari ni yendekithitie kuongerera marihi ma motungata ma urigitani kuri o Mukenya arirutaga gicunji kia 2.75 kia mushara wake undu uria gukorwo no muhaka riendekithia riri riahituka. No na gukirio uguo riendekithia riri ritiamukiritwo wega ni ikundi itiganite cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu rungu rwa gikundi kia Okoa Uchumi iria ireganite na riendekithia riri ikiuga andu aria mari na mishara minene mabatie kuruta gicunji kia iguru.
Not everybody earns the same, and therefore we would not be comfortable with the government proposing a flat rate of 2.7% that cuts across even those who earn more. So therefore, if this could be done on a graduating scale, it would make more sense.
Okoa Uchumi Coalition survey done between May 19th to June 6th showed 77% of Kenyans do not support the proposed NHIF deductions.
Gikundi giki kiugite kuma mweri wa 6 mwaka uyu thirikari ikoretwo ikigathika magoti matiganite o GWAKIA undu uria uhinyiriirie AKENYA aingi hamwe na guthinekania biacara nyingi aingi magitigwo makiruta mawira matari na umithio wothe riu makiuria thirikari yethe njira ingi cia kunganagia magoti hatari kuhinyiriria AKENYA.
Turenda kugia na framework yuge atiriri mundu ri wothe raruta mbia ri ndagirwo gukorwa akihinyirio gukinya kiwango kigana ona.
Pesa ambazo zinapotea kwa illicit financial flows tumesema kwamba 40 billion inapotea kila mwaka. Hizo ni njia mbadala na kuexpand hiyo tax base. Watu wengi matajiri wa walipi ushuru.
One unexplored source in Kenya is the property taxes, which can be feasibly enforced.
No na thengia wa thirikari gukorwo igikuruhania muingi hari kuheana woni wao, gikundi giki kiugite ni undu wa kiha kuona thirikari ikoretwo ikiagarara kihoto kia muingi na njira ya kwaga gwikirira mawoni mao maria maheana.
Public participation ira twekirite ni tuonire ati andu ingi ni maigire matia participate na magira go participate na onare ma participate maigire no ta kuhena maheana mawoni no rindi thirikari ni yatuite matua mayo.
Gikundi giki kiugite ni giguthi igoti-ini o undu umwe na gukuruhania muingi niguo thirikari itige kuhinyiriria AKENYA aria maretungumania niguo kurugamia miturire yao.
We'll go to court, of course, and we hope to get favorable decisions. But if that does not work, we'll also go to the people and mobilize them against this kind of decision because they are the ones who are suffering.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.
Thank you.